How to correctly send crypto from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can correctly send crypto from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Coinbase app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to select the cryptocurrency which you want to send. After that, tap on send. Now type the amount of crypto that you want to send. Then tap on next. After that, it will ask you for the address to which you want to send crypto. So open up the Phantom wallet and tap on receive. Now tap on this copy icon and the address will be copied. After that, open up the Coinbase app and paste the address that you copied and then tap on confirm. Now again tap on confirm and your cryptocurrency will be sent. So that's how you can correctly send crypto from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. That's all for this video.